Good
Is
morning.
my laptop right here?
I don't know. You have to see. It's like,
Oh my god.
2 laptops? Which one is mine?
This one, this is freaking cool.
I think that looks like your stuff on the left.
I think this one's mine.
Wow.
Oh, I got one. No way.
Well, how awesome is that?
Where are you going?
Front.
What you doing?
What are you doing? No, it's not afternoon yet.
No.
It's been storming all night, though.
Yes.
I can't believe y'all got up so late.
Was that loud thump on the roof lightning or Santa?
I'm not sure. It probably could be both.
If it was Santa, Santa got a concussion.
This is. He didn't eat all of them. He didn't eat a bite left.
What is that, Jay?
Oh, one of
It's
those
taste
tennis
bad.
things.
Sweet.
What? I can find the right side.
Looks like it's all right there, baby.
Where?
It's right there with the red. With the
With
red
your
sign.
little computer. How awesome is that? It's like just your size.
What's that? Lovely. What I actually do?
What is that?
Underwear.
What kind of underwear? Stupid
Yeah.
underwear.
Ooh, hot dogs.
Awesome.
Are you guys gonna do your stuff?
Yeah, but we wanted to watch you first. Mommy does.
Excellent.
What is that?
iPod. iTouch.
Cool. Awesome.
It's probably two.
It's what happens when you roll it around. You don't have to pick it because you're lazy.
That's awesome. Y'all must have been very good boys.
I had a case.
Oh, I got Assassin's Creed 3 for the PS3 so I can play it here. I gotta relearn how to play it though because I don't know how to play it on the PS3.
What'd you have? What were you saying, Andrew?
Plants vs. Zombies in 2013.
Madden.
I got Modern Warfare 3 Call of Duty for the PS3 so I can play online, kill everybody.
Mom.
Andrew.
Cool. And I got underwear.
Hey. I see you.
Awesome.
Just sitting on the floor.
It's just sitting on the floor.
I got Hot Rocks. Have you
Awesome.
ever swallowed an entire packet of these things at once?
No.
It hurts your throat, and it makes you feel like you're about to explode.
Let's not do that.
We did that at back one time when me and Chris and Blake all bought Pop Rocks. We had like blue little pebbles all over our shirts. Mostly me.
What do you think about that computer, Andrew?
Cool. You mean laptop?
Laptop? That's awesome.
Sweet.
Hey, don't forget to open these presents.
We're not opening those yet. We gotta give them to Mom and Dad first because they gotta open theirs too. Dad, come here, sit down. You gotta open stuff.
Okay.
I want an iPod, one iPod, and then an iTouch. Like, I guess it came in the case.
Andrew, an iPod and an iTouch are the same thing.
I think iTouch is like better than an iPod.
iTouch is an iPod.
Yeah, iPod.
It's an iPod.
Daddy will help you open that.
Well, iTouch is just short for that.
It's not real.
What do you mean it's not real? You open it and You got a case for it? Yep.
Where?
It's the same one I got.
Oh,
Oh no, it's better than what I got.
super cool.
I gotta get an OtterBox for mine because my case is falling apart. Screen protector and stuff.
How do you open it?
I bet Daddy